Whew, man. I'm definitely gonna wear it. Kiki with the one gifted. Thank you. Thank you very much. And we getting through it though, Ted. You can't say we ain't.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Maya Brian. I just wanted to come on here and kind of really show y'all what I've been doing. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I recently just dropped my clothing brand. Yeah, right now we're about to go ahead and start the shipping process. I did buy a thermal label printer, so we're about to set that up right now. Tonight I'm gonna pack orders, but tomorrow I'm gonna go drop them off to get shipped. Today is July 14th, 3:50, and come pack orders with me. Now it's Wednesday. It's literally like 1:30 in the morning. I want to make sure that all the labels are printed so I have less work to do in the morning, and I can just wake up and go to the post office so I can get these orders shipped out. Pretty much spent the whole day trying to figure out how to set up the shipping printer, and it was just a whole lot. Like, I had a whole entire meltdown because it's like, why is it this hard? Like, let me show y'all these thank you cards that I actually designed on Canva. And I went to Walgreens today and I got them printed. Thank you cards. This is in my room right now. Don't mind the cords over there because I know it's like a whole situation going on. This is the printer, and obviously I don't want to show people like address and stuff like that, but this is how I do it. So on my iPad, let's see who last got printed out. As you can see, I don't want to show nobody address. So this is like an app that I use or whatever, and I just download it or whatever from Shopify. Then I hit print. And then, yeah, so these are all the orders that I've printed so far. And yeah, this is probably gonna be what I'm doing for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna go to the post office and ship the orders. So it took me a long time to get to this point because I didn't know what I was doing pretty much. And the videos I was watching, they was not really explaining it the right way, I feel like. So I really just winged it, and I'm so happy because now, feel me, like I don't have to go to the post office, wait in this long line just to get this little piece of paper. Appreciate you, twin. We've been working, but I'll see y'all tomorrow when I go to ship my packages. So yeah, this is like the first week of the first drop of Project Heaven. Make sure you stay tuned in because we have a lot coming up, and I hope you have a great rest of your night. Yo, when I tell you that was low-key a mission, just to go get these packages right here, it was a mission. Y'all, tell me why I got a notification that my package is ready. I'm like, okay, cool. I walk all the way down to the mail room. I realized I don't have the mail key, so I walk back to get the mail key. Then I walk back, open the mailbox, and it's not even in there. Then I'm like, okay, they must have put it in the package room. But at the same time, I never got a notification. Usually they send you a notification to like this app to let you know that you got a package, and I never got a notification. But anyway, unbox it with me. The company that I ordered my poly mailers from, they sent me some hot sauce. Now, I don't know if I use it. Okay, so this is the hot sauce, and I'm actually excited to use it. I'm not even gonna lie. But I did not think that it was gonna be this big. But this is what it looked like. It has my logo. Then in the back it says, "The righteous shall flourish like the palm tree," which is this verse, Psalm 92:12, and the palm tree, which is our logo. got to get ready to take them to the post office. I just brought our packages from that room right there to this door over here, and I am out of breath. So I'm not gonna even try to record the process of me taking it to my car. Like, y'all know I'm taking it to the post office. So.
All right, y'all. Trainer D-Lo is in the building today, and we got
Maya. Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks since I worked out. Obviously, you know, I've been busy with the drop and stuff like that, but we just dropped on Saturday. Today is Monday and we back in the gym.
And I let her choose what she want to hit today. You say you wanted to hit chest?
Yeah, what do you think?
Whatever you want to hit. I start off as a guy with chest and tries, but if you want to start with chest today, unless you want to do a full body. You want to do like a little full body?
Yeah, we'll do full body.
All right, we'll do a little full body.
I feel, for me, I feel like,
All right, well, without further ado, let's start warming up, man.
All right, what do you want me to do?
Ah, my knees.
Say, look at his AirPods. I ain't gonna lie. Those are the ones that I want. Why are you staring at me?
Yep. Two times. There and back. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Turn it around. Turn it around, no break, come on.
Around? Dang.
Take a 5 second, take a 10-second breather. This is a baby on here. This is 50 pounds. This ain't even a full child. It's all the way through. There you go.
My toes supposed to be like hanging off like that?
It's a big weight. We'll go.
Yeah,
we'll
that's kind of big.
Sit down. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it. Good job. Good job. High five. I gave her a little extra 30-second break. She don't know that. But 6, 7, 8. Come on, got some more. 9. Good job. Got it. Good job. I get 3 break. 3 break.
What?
Want to go into RDL, go down, up, then on the 10th time when you're done, you're gonna go into pulling. 3, 4, 5. Great form. I would tell you that. I feel like women have the best form. I don't know why. I think they just, make sure you're counting. That's 4. You got 6 more. I feel like women just take things slow and control versus men like being in the gym like, like ODing on the exercises and not even doing like the full range of motion. But like for her, I really don't even have to tell her to slow down because she automatically has it underneath control.
I wish I just had some water in a cup or something. Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I have a little bit of a elbow injury, so can you pass me that?
Remember, there you go. Perfect. Don't rotate the weights out. Push straight, there you go.
Am I not done?
Nah, you talking.
No, but am I not done? I have one more?
Yeah, 3 sets, everything. Let's go. After this, you got abs and you're done. If you're a woman watching this, it's okay to do chest. I'm telling y'all actually should do chest because it's gonna get rid of a little bit of fat in your chest area.
All right, let's go. Let's get out of here.